Let's look at some of the beautiful blossoms in the garden today. This is Peach Swirl. It's beautiful. This one is Princess Alexandria of Kent. I keep saying Andrea, but it's Alexandra of Kent. These are my Mrs. B.R. Cants. They scoff at the heat. These are the best performers in my garden, hands down, bar none. I'll show you the other two on the other side. These I cut back severely. Look how cute. I just tied this one up, but it is Westerland Climbing Rose, and it's got some more buds coming. I feel like I caged it in prison. Hurricane Katrina doing as spectacular as ever. This is only 2 years old, and I found actually 4 babies coming off of it, so I'm going to have to transplant them somewhere else. Had to give you another view of this Mrs. B.R. Cant, and this is the smaller of my 4. Coco Loco still going strong. I love this one. It's beautiful. This one's indicative of the early color. Here are some older blooms on Lark Ascending, but oh my goodness, this is a rock star. It's so beautiful, and I love, love, love the color. Look at that. That is magnificent. Lark Ascending, the Lark Ascending. Charles Darwin. And it's got new buds coming, about 4 or 5 more. This one is so fragrant. It's the onyx rose, and this is a baby. It's only a few months old. So these are tiny, tiny blossoms, but I'm sure they'll grow bigger with time. Sceptered Isle. They start out an apricot color and fade to a more peachy cream color, almost white. I just caged some of this up today too because I wanted to grow up this tutor. But look how beautiful. Tottering by gently. And here are some older blooms on my cathedral bells. I love this color. It's beautiful. Gorgeous rose. Windermere. This is it's slightly more yellow than it appears in the camera, but a very creamy butter yellow. And Windermere. It's beautiful. Look at that. Eustacia Vi. It's so tiny. This is only less than 12 inches tall right now. It's newly planted. Champagne Dreams. It's much butterier yellow than the camera shows. Mother of Pearl, and it definitely has an unwanted guest that it's going to get introduced to the soap bucket. Mother of Pearl. And look at my Princess Alexandra of Kent. And here on my nursery table is a mystery rose. I knew that I didn't have a tag on it, and I don't remember what it is, but I'm gonna have to look it up in my orders because I would know which one I don't have labeled. Duchess de Brabant. Another Duchess de Brabant. Ah, and another unwanted visitor. I have to get him. Look at this, so beautiful. I guess it's been blooming for a little while, so these blooms are a little bit older. Not a rose, but still a beautiful lily flower. It's very gorgeous. And some, I want to say apricot drift roses, not apricot, coral. Here's the Davis store rose. I found rose out of somewhere around Gainesville. This is a climber, and these have been blooming for a little bit now. Sorry, the sun isn't cooperating with me on this angle here. Let's see if I can get, you can see how tall that is. It's about 8 feet tall. Here's a newer bloom, Davis store rose.